What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. We are giving these away Monday, June 19th on my live stream. I'm going to do Monday night live stream, so that's this Monday coming up. I will keep putting notifications out to get enough people in there because I think it's a great giveaway and show my appreciation for hitting that 2,000 subscriber mark. That's awesome, and I really appreciate it. All you guys have been super supportive, and I appreciate that, and can't tell you how thankful I am for that. And then after this one, at 2,500 subscribers, we have the 12-volt Skil giveaway. So again, it'll be 9:15 or 9:30 p.m. to get as many both West Coast, East Coast, Central Standard Time, Mountain Time, whatever you're at, enough people in the United States to have a chance to win these tools. So in tonight's video, though, what I want to talk about is failure. And sometimes failure sucks. And right now I am highly entertaining. I've said this plenty of times. It's just hard when you have kids and people that depend on you, but highly entertaining the idea of working on my own. I've had great success doing side jobs on my own. Have people that constantly ask for work, but I don't always have time working a full-time job. Kids, sports, school stuff, YouTube takes up a lot of time as well. So I do as much as I can when I can. Summertime, I'm usually pretty wide open, so might be a good time to make a run at that. But I just want to talk about, I've had jobs, and there's one in particular. I was doing a drywall job, and it didn't go how I wanted to. Now, first of all, I'm not a huge drywall guy. I've gotten a lot better at doing it. I can hang it, no problem. Get all your seams and everything matched up perfectly. But I'm not really good at mudding and stuff. But I've, been working at it, getting a lot better. Started out as a heavy sander, and now I'm down a little bit. But this job was for a lady that was getting ready to put her house on the market, and she really didn't want to spend much money, and her roof had been leaking. So her third floor, which is an older 3-story house, third floor was wood floors, more like an attic, but it was finished. And I went up there and told her that honestly, the best result is I had to tear down what was up there in pretty big sections, reset a lot of maybe get some pieces of wood up there and whatnot, especially just really on this one patch. So it's like a 4x8 huge patch, but her ceiling was like dipping, and there's a lot of the structural stuff wasn't bad. The actual support beams, what it was it's old wood lathe, and that stuff was kind of just pulling down. But she didn't want to spend the money to do that route, and I probably should have said, well, then this job isn't for me. But I did the job anyways, and it was a pain in the butt to do. And there's a bunch of different ways I wish I would have gone about doing it. But again, it's what the customer wanted. And I did clean up and stuff, but I like to keep a nice organized job site. I like to clean up at the end of every day if it's a long-term project, or if I'm going to be there for a few days, I'm going to make it look like I'm not there besides whatever I'm working on. But I like to keep the tools organized and in a corner if I'm not taking them with me or what have you. But this one just, one of those jobs where it was a failure on my end for sure. The finished result she was happy with. I wasn't happy with it. But again, also, I know I'm going to get some people in the comments. Nothing I've ever done would put anyone at risk or in danger. You know, safety first. That's my highest priority. If I don't know how to do something, I'm not going to do it. And I will reference them to someone that does know how to do it, or they could find their own person. But, you know, it's those lessons that really help you learn and move on to the next one and have a better understanding of your abilities and what you want to do with either your business or even just working for someone. You'll want to be at the top of your game, even if the company sucks. Just work your butt off, and you know, I think things just keep happening to people who work hard, obviously. And the opportunities that have opened up for me over the years has been awesome. That's why I'm huge into maintenance and supporting the trades and all that stuff. And, you know, get a lot of different guys. And even I like being on here, help homeowners, DIY guys. You know, I do a lot of tool stuff and whatnot, but I just want to talk about some, you know, personal experiences and stuff. And that was one job that just, you know, still wish I could go back and redo it today. But it's over, done with. You have to move on. I believe she actually still lives in the house. I'm not 100% sure. But either way, the customer is happy. So there is that. Anyways, guys, I just want to make a quick video. Throw this out there. Coming up, we're going to have a lot more better structure to the channel. Videos always come out at 7:45 p.m. Probably won't do every day anymore. Definitely going to do Monday night as my live streams. Tuesdays will be a pre-recorded tool test battle and teardown, like the video I released last Tuesday. You could go watch it. And then I'm going to get more ideas for the rest of the week as it goes along. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget the 19th, Monday, June 19th, giveaway of the Klein tools. I will post a video or a comment or something every day so as much people know. But turn those notifications on. Get subscribed. Like, comment, and share. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Later.